back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I am back with another Lounge underwear haul. I just want to say a big thank you for Lounge underwear for sponsoring today's video. I've actually worked with Lounge underwear in a couple of videos already, and I must say I really love their stuff. And I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I got today as well. They actually sent out this box for me. I already opened it, but it was the cutest packaging ever. Let me just show you guys. So it was like that, and there was also a nice ribbon as well. So I'm just jumping on because I forgot to tell you guys, I also have a discount code. It's just Teresa10, all in caps. I'll leave it on the screen and also down in the description box. You guys can use that discount code and get 10% off store-wide. So yeah, let's continue with the haul. Yeah, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I feel like a really nice and cute way to spice things up, like for your partner or even for yourself, to be honest. I feel like wearing cute intimate sets can be for your partner, but also makes you feel really cute for yourself as well. Lounge underwear actually do have a wide range of intimate sets. It came out on the 1st of Feb. So yeah, make sure you guys jump on to it before things get sold out. But I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorite pieces. It's all in here. I really do love Lounge, not just for the intimate sets, but they do have really comfortable bralettes. It also has swimmers as well, and also just like comfortable clothing. I'll have all the links down below to everything that I'm going to show you guys in today's video. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. This is the first piece we have here. This is a cream crop tee. It does come in a set as well, and it comes in a few different other colors. There's also a black one in this as well, but I decided to go for a cream color. This is a bit of a close-up, so it has like white detailing there, so like sort of like a white outline. It's also a cotton fabric as well, so yeah, super comfortable. There's also the rubber branding there where it says Lounge. You can match this cream crop t-shirt with the high-waisted cream shorts, which feel super sturdy. I feel like anything high-waisted is just a lot more flattering. Like for example, the pants I'm wearing here are high-waisted, and so are these. It has a stretchy band which is quite thick. The material is really soft as well. I really love that they have the branding on the sides. It's sort of a bit of like a statement piece, to be honest. Also has pockets as well. I love anything with pockets. The shorts also have a drawstring as well, so you can tighten it. Something like this is just super comfortable and cute to lounge in. Moving on to the bralettes. I actually have a couple of, oh my god, I already have so many different colors in the bralettes, and I thought I'd also grab myself the navy one as well. So honestly, the small details, little straps here also say Lounge, and there's also Lounge on the silver part. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe if I focus it. And what's really comfortable about these bralettes is the strap is super stretchy. Yeah, this is the Bamboo Minimal Triangle set, so it comes with these bottoms as well. I really like wearing these undies when I go to the gym. Like they're comfortable, and two, you can't see it when I wear my gym leggings. I really like the thick band here as well, just because it sort of hugs everything in when you put it on. This set is also made with bamboo fabrication, so they're moving towards a more sustainable design. This set actually comes in 6 other colors. So for example, there's also black, red, grey. I believe there's pink as well. Okay, next up we have another bralette set, but in grey. It's different to the triangle one I just showed you guys. So this is the top here. So it's sort of like a cropped t-shirt, to be honest. It crisscrosses in the back, and it also has the band, the thick band at the bottom. Stretchy, thick band with the Lounge branding. It has a scoop neckline. This is called the basic bralette and brief set. It comes in white and black as well, but I decided to go for grey. It's also a very soft and stretchy cotton material. This is what the bottoms look like. It's not as cheeky as the navy one that I showed you guys. So the navy one is sort of like a G-string, whereas this one, it's just a bit more thicker. It's also high-waisted as well, so it's really comfortable and it shapes your body really nicely. Moving on to the next item, I really wish you guys could feel how soft it is, but it is this robe here. Oh my god, it's literally the fluffiest and softest thing ever, to be honest. I'm probably going to use this as a blanket because it is just so soft. Just imagine how soft that is. This item here is called the So Soft Luxury Dressing Gown, and it literally says it in the name of this item, So Soft, and it actually is so soft. I am so in love with it. I got it in pink. It also comes in grey as well, but I thought the pink would just be a lot cuter. I'm not the biggest fan of, not that I'm not the biggest fan, like pink isn't my favorite color, but I feel like when it's a really light baby pink like this, it's super cute. It says Lounge in the back, and it has a hoodie as well. I'm just gonna try it on for you guys, even though it's hot, but it's just so cute. Oh, can we just, I feel so cozy. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this robe and then, you know, wearing like cute bralettes or like intimates underneath. It's a really good length as well. You guys can probably see it in the back mirror. It's a really nice length, so soft. I cannot wait to live in this during winter and like the colder season. This item comes in small/medium and medium/large. So I got the small/medium one, and it fits really nice. You need to get your hands on one of these babies for winter. Okay, moving on to the intimate sets. I am so excited to show you guys these pieces. This is the first item here. Can we just look at how beautiful that looks? I don't know if the camera is picking up the color. Oh, it sort of is, but yeah, it looks like a red, but it's sort of more of like a orangey red. It is super cute. I feel like Lounge does a really good job in flattering small chests. Like when I wear pieces like this, it makes me feel so sexy, and it makes me feel really good about my body as well. So it just has wiring underneath, and can we just look at that lace? That is honestly so beautiful, and I really love that little cut out there as well. And this comes with these bottoms. So there's sort of two materials. It has like mesh and then also lace in the middle, and it also has a stretchy band as well, which makes it super comfortable. Lounge actually has a lot of similar designs to this set here as well, and they just have such a big range of colors. Like for example, I have a really similar set in blue, yellow and purple, and it's just so flattering. The next two items I want to show you guys is from the Valentine's Day launch. These pieces are incredible. They are so beautiful, like the detail. I'm just looking at it now and I'm just like, I can't wait to show you guys. So this is the first one we have here. It's a baby pink peachy color. I feel like you guys got to see the whole thing just so you guys can get the feel of it. But it also comes with a belt and thigh straps. You guys, it is a whole as vibe. These are the bottoms, and I love the way it cuts there. So it's sort of like a V shape, and it has that really nice lace, and it also has mesh as well. That is the belt there. How sexy is that? It is so cute. I really love the rose gold and this peach together. This set definitely gives off like luxury vibes, but the next set I want to show you guys is even prettier. Like I do love this peach color, but I really like red for you know, like bras and bottoms. Take a moment to look at this piece. I need to show you guys a close-up because those little gem sparkling things, wow, the lace is incredible. This red here is a deeper red, and it just looks so incredible with that silver, with those little silver pieces. Honestly, all the small details, it just comes together so nicely. So for example, as you guys can see here, there's like little cutouts. The strap also has gold buckles. I don't know if you would call them buckles, but yeah, it's gold, and the gold and red look really nice together. This is the belt. Oh, it is inside out. How sexy is this? This is the belt. Pretty. These are the bottoms. I really like the little cutouts there as well. And there's also these thigh strap things. I don't even know if they're called thigh straps, but these ones are a bit thicker than the pink ones. I'll just show you guys to compare. So these are the pink ones, and then this one here's the red one. I sort of like the thicker look, to be honest, but you know, each set has their own feel to it. The pink one I feel like has more of a cute sexy vibe, whereas the red ones just look sexy as hell, like just everything about it. Yeah, that is it for today's haul with Lounge underwear. If you guys want to shop any of these pieces, make sure you guys hop on it as soon as possible. just because I don't want you guys to miss out. I just want to say a big thank you for Lounge Underwear again for sponsoring today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the family, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video.